This One Planet Summit for the Ocean is based on the belief that everyone has a role to play in this collective effort to be carbon neutral and nature positive in 2050. This collective effort needs the participation of every citizen, company, community, country in the world. We need a systemic change. And this systemic change can only happen if we all work together in the different levels at the same time. And this is what the One Planet Summit brings, this forum where we can talk together, understand the problems, understand the solutions, share visions, generate political momentum, and start implementing action. It's what we need. In the last One Planet Summit, Costa Rica with friends in the United Kingdom, we launched the High Ambition Coalition for Nature and People with 50 countries in that moment. And now we have over the 80 countries that are committed with the 30 by 30 goal. This is just to confirm that this is a powerful forum where we can all be launching initiatives that can have a global impact. Let's work for the protection of the ocean. We need it now.